Hairstyles will decide how your first impressions will be. If you nail it, you nail it. But if you don't, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, shout out to Rishi Anand, and yes, it's exactly Pullingo, that's the same thing. Due to the corona pandemic this year, the grooming standards, or you'd say the catalog for style this year, has dramatically changed. Due to the scarcity of hairstylists and hair salons, for a lot of people have changed dramatically and have set new trends in motion for the next year. And here I am with 5 hairstyles that will get you laid for sure in 2021. Before sharing all the 5 hairstyles, if you don't know how to choose a particular hairstyle for your specific face shape, because just as your body type, you have to choose different types of clothes, it's very similar for your hairstyles as well. So if you don't know anything about it, here's a basic overview on how to choose hairstyles for your face shape. For example, if you have a round face, go for a hairstyle that elongates your face, something that will be shorter on the sides, longer on the top. Similarly, if you have a longer face, a rectangle longer face, at that time you shouldn't make your face more longer with shorter sides and longer top. For that, you should go for something very even. Something that Tom Ellis does in his Lucifer persona in the Lucifer series. This is the best example I've got for you. And for people who have very angular faces, you should stay away from very hard angular hairstyles. Go with some soft hairstyles. That way, it'll give your face a good proportion. As that's aside, the very first hairstyle on the list is the buzz cut. What do I say about the buzz cut? Everyone knows about it. It is an all-time classic look. Many people have pulled it off over the years. Even I did it. My last haircut was a buzz cut due to a request of a subscriber. So firstly, thank you so much for that. Plus, I want to tell you that the buzz cut is very in this year and the coming year, because firstly, it looks great. Mostly if you have an angular face, because the hairstyle is very soft. Plus, it's very low maintenance. You don't have to do anything to it. Oil it like 2 to 3 drops of oil 2 times a week, and that's all. You don't have to do anything else. Some good examples of people that have pulled this off will be Zayn. The second will be the Punisher. If you haven't seen him, he looks badass with that hairstyle. Okay, and it has a very edgy vibe to it. So if you have a bad boy persona, it's gonna add up in your personality. Number 2 on the list is the tapered high and light. This is a medium maintenance hairstyle. This is just like your regular hairstyles. You don't have to maintain it a lot, but if you don't have a very long face, you all can pull this off. It looks very good. It's an all-time classic again. But this is one hairstyle that will look good for the next few years at least. Here are some examples that I got. These people pull this off very, very well, and you can do this similarly. The third hairstyle on the list is the messy man bob. If you thought bob cuts were just for girls, that's why I've added the man bob in it, so that it's a man bob, you know, it's just like a man bun, it's like a man bob. But unlike other few hairstyles on this list, this hairstyle is high maintenance because you have long hair to deal with, and as a result you have to take care of it. You can't just let it be the way it is. Your hair will get damaged, tangled with each other. You have to maintain it way more than other hairstyles. But if you're down for it, there's no problem at all. This hairstyle is like those high maintenance girls you might have been with.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Yes, sir. Here's one secret that I would like to share. Any high maintenance thing, whether it will be your girl, your hair, your beard, or whatever, for you people specifically, high maintenance isn't a problem. And why is that so? Because you're subscribed to Triple S, and I have solutions for every single thing.
Doctor Saab, मुझे बवासीर है.
So with that, just subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't, and press the notification bell right now. And this hairstyle is very in style right now for obvious reasons. So you can obviously pull this off. It's not very difficult to get this hairstyle, but it's difficult to maintain. That's all. Almost any face type will work with this one. Unless you have a super round face and you're overweight, this won't look very good on you. Plus, if you're pulling off this hairstyle, make sure you grow a beard with it as well, because this is gonna make you look a bit feminine, so the beard will compensate with it. And the fourth hairstyle on the list is the Aquaman bun, or just long hair. I've named it the Aquaman bun because the guy pulls it off very well. So, you know, it's something like that. You have to just leave your hair long. You have to just tie your hair in a man bun. Again, it is kind of outdated, but now currently it is in style because, again, obvious reasons. So you can pull this off once again. If you have long hair, let it out, let it grow, and you can still be in style with this one. Again, this is an exception because not every guy can pull this off. So if you can pull this off, it's gonna look really good on you. But again, this is a high maintenance hairstyle. You have to maintain your hair, you have to take care of hair. If you're down for that challenge, go on. It's gonna look the best on you. Plus, if you think that you need very super straight hair for any of these hairstyles, don't worry about that. Your natural hair texture will look great with it. So don't worry about long hair or any shit like that. So keep your natural hair texture the way it is, and it'll look good with every hairstyle, because that is what is gonna make your hairstyle unique. Again, guys, don't forget to grow a beard with this hairstyle, because again, this is a bit of a feminine hairstyle, so the beard is gonna balance it out. So the fifth and the last hairstyle on the list is the textured crop. This is gonna be a low to medium maintenance hairstyle, so not a lot to maintain, but this is very much in style because of the natural feel it has. As you might have noticed, all the hairstyles in this list except the buzz cut have a very natural feel to it. You don't have to keep it super tapered or something like that. So go with something like this if you don't want to mess with your hair a lot, and especially if you have curly or wavy hair that I have. This is gonna be the best because you don't have to do a lot of styling to your hair, because your natural hair texture will add on to that hairstyle. So that is the best part of this hairstyle. I won't suggest people who have straight hair to go with this one. Only people who have curly hair or wavy hair should go with this one. Again, people who have super round faces and you're a little overweight, don't go with this hairstyle. You people should go with the tapered high hairstyle, or any hairstyle that is a little bit longer on the top and shorter on the sides. That is gonna look good on you people. And that is all for today's video, people. Wait, you people already look like a stud. Damn, how did you do that? Oh, because you're subscribed to my channel. I was talking about 2021, but you guys, you studs are gonna get laid in 2020 itself. Great going, people. Great going. I'm proud of you people. Guys, before you leave, don't forget to use protection. Why am I worried right now? Yes, I am worried because you guys look like studs right now. I'm worried for your future, because if your future is ruined, who is gonna watch my videos, right? Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's @StreetStylescape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat for sharing some personal stuff every single day. So add me on Snapchat. It's right here. I'm also on Twitter, so go follow me @STylescape on Twitter, and we'll talk about some political stuff. Mostly I tweet shit when I'm high, but we can compensate. Again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.